Hello geometry students. Today's learning target is to talk about properties of trapezoids, and here are some notes that are similar to the Desmos but not exactly the same. So first, the definition of a trapezoid is there is exactly one pair of parallel sides. So if I label this A, B, C, D, BC and AD are parallel. And then in the Desmos, there's a couple vocabulary words. AD is called a base. BC is also called a base. AB is called a leg of the trapezoid. And CD is also called a leg. And if you look at slides 5 and 6 in the Desmos, you'll notice that angle A and angle B add up to 180 degrees. Angle C and angle D add up to 180 degrees. Even if I were to change the size of the trapezoid, angle A and angle B still add up to 180. Angle C and angle D still add up to 180 degrees. So those are called base angles, and sometimes we call them consecutive base angles. So I'm going to highlight here. Angle A and B are consecutive base angles. Angle C and angle D are consecutive base angles. And consecutive base angles are supplementary. In slide 6 in the Desmos explains the reason, because they are same side interior angles. So consecutive angles are supplementary because they are same side interior angles. So in our notes, I just filled that out. So just a quick summarize, angle A and D are called base angles. Some people call them lower base angles. B and C are called upper base angles. And then consecutive angles in a trapezoid are supplementary. Let's take a look at a couple examples that are similar to the Desmos but not exactly the same. So if you look at problem number 3, in order to find the question mark, because angle K and angle J are supplementary, I'm going to subtract 65 from 180, and doing that, the question mark is equal to 115 degrees. Likewise, in problem 4, angle T and angle U add up to 180 degrees. So angle T is 180 minus 50, which is 130 degrees. So knowing that, we now can create an equation for problem number 5. These two angles add up to 180 degrees, so the equation would be 100 plus 41x minus 2 is equal to 180. I'm going to combine these like terms, so 98 plus 41x is 180 degrees. I'm going to subtract 98 from both sides. You'll get 41x, so doing the math here, you get 82. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 41. And x is equal to, let's take a look at problem number 6. Angle U and angle T are consecutive angles in a trapezoid, so they add to 180. So 3x plus 38 plus 11x minus 12 is equal to 180 degrees. Combining the x's, we get 14x. Combining the numbers, 38 minus 12, I'm going to add those on my calculator. You'll get plus 26. I'm going to subtract 26 from both sides. So 180 minus 26 is 154. So 14x is equal to 154. Then I'm going to divide by 14. and we'll get x is equal to 11. I also want to find angle U here. So the measure of angle U would be 3 times 11 plus 38. So 3 times 11 plus 38 on my calculator gives me angle U is 71 degrees.